The job is placed into the smithy forge to heat it. It is then transferred to the face of the anvil and hammered with a double-ended sledgehammer to turn the round-shaped rod into square shape. Heavy blows should be given to the job in quick succession to deform it. The job is transferred back to the smithy forge to heat the middle portion and hammered to continue with a square shape of the job. At this point, a flattener is used to give a smooth finish to the deformed portion of the job. In this way, the entire length of the job is given a smooth finish. You can see the edges of the square job. After the heating of the job, place it over the step of the anvil and start bending from the end using a ball peen hammer. The horn of the anvil is used to give a curved shape. Remember, the job should be heated continuously while performing smithy operation. So it is heated and the process of giving a curved shape continues. Hammer the ends of the square job to form a closed ring. The job is heated and finishing touches are given. Finally, the job is dipped into the metallic bucket to cool it, which hardens it.